Hi, in this video I'm going to show you how you can restart your Sony SRS-XB13 if you're having problems with it. Obviously you'll only do this if you're having problems. So right now you can see that this is paired to here. If I was to move the volume, you can hopefully see that the volume is moving up here on my phone. So to restart it, what we have to do is we have to hold the button down, the power button, for 10 seconds, but it won't delete any settings from it. You're not resetting this, you're just restarting it. I have done a separate video on how to reset it. So you're still going to have the pairings that you had before. For example, this phone will still be paired. So watch this now. I'm going to hold this down for 10 seconds and you'll see it will turn itself off. It will turn back on and automatically connect to this because it's not losing any of its settings. So holding it down now, you can see the little green light here. After about another 6 seconds or so, it will turn itself off. There we go, turned off already. Didn't even feel that 10 seconds. And now I'm going to let go. And it will turn itself back on without me touching anything. There you go, it's coming back on now. And it will pair to my phone again automatically. There we go, it's made the little noise and it's paired again. If I was to do the volume here, can you see it moving down on the phone? So there we go, that's how to restart your Sony speaker. Hopefully that will fix any problems. If you've still got problems, you might need to reset it, so you can watch my video on how to reset one of these. Thanks for watching.